If you have a shower in your bathroom, then it's important to clean the enclosure and shower tray regularly to keep it looking good and in pristine condition. While nobody enjoys cleaning, if you stay on top of it, then there's less to do each time. To clean your shower tray, first remove all toiletries and any items from the surface, such as shampoo bottles and body washes, to ensure a thorough clean. Getting rid of surface dirt with a quick rinse is also good to begin with. And if you have any stubborn stains, then you can pre-treat them at this stage to give the cleaning solution more time to work. There are lots of options when it comes to the type of cleaner you use on your shower tray. We always recommend something gentle, and always check the material of your shower tray is made of so you don't use something which is too abrasive that could potentially cause damage. Natural cleaning solutions such as baking soda, white vinegar and water combinations are great, as most people have these in their cupboards already, and they're more eco-friendly than chemicals. Once you've mixed your cleaner, you can apply this to your shower tray, scrubbing more stained areas, while also making sure to tackle the grouting as well. Always rinse the cleaning solution off thoroughly when you're finished as well, to ensure that no residue remains. For more specific details on how to mix your natural cleaning solutions and get your shower tray looking its very best, check out our Bathshack blog. It's the first link in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to us here on YouTube for more cleaning advice and bathroom inspiration. Shop luxury for less at bathshack.com.